Hi, this is Litre Total Parts Pro. Today we have a 2019 Mazda BT50, stock number 6614. This ran from the 10th 2011 to the 6th 2020. It has a P5AT 3.2 litre 5-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by a 6-speed manual transmission. This is the P5AT 5-cylinder turbo diesel engine. Left front aftermarket 16-inch steel wheel, good tyre. Left hand door mirror, left rear door no dents, left rear aftermarket 16-inch steel wheel, good tyre. Right rear 16-inch steel wheel, good tyre. Right rear door one crease, right front door no dents, right front door mirror, right front headlight, right front 16-inch steel wheel, good tyre. Right hand door card, right hand master switch, center console lid, manual gear shifter, heater AC controls, factory touchscreen stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel, instrument cluster,